Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cherry Mark. Welcome to this Kikuyu channel. Thanks for joining me and thanks for being part of this video. I am glad to welcome you and I am glad that you've taken your time, and I thank you also for subscribing. For the new subscribers also, I want to appreciate again and again for being part of this channel and even for choosing to be in this channel, even for the time that you people sacrifice to sit at home, watch me talking. I know sometimes I talk so much, or sometimes I just talk, yeah, I don't know, but I want to appreciate everyone wherever you are, and even for every single comment, for the likes, and even for sharing. I am so humbled, and I cannot forget to mention this. Thank you, and thank you again. Well, in the past, or in the past days, there have been a lot of critics, a lot of critics that have been coming along in this channel. And well, I take that positively, and I also appreciate the critics that you guys have been letting me know. Well, yeah, I just wanted to let you know, for those people who have been complaining about writings, or about me not putting their writings in my Kikuyu lessons, I want you to go back to my past videos, and there is one video I highlighted and explained the reason as to why I don't put the writings in Kikuyu. I hope you guys you are able to find that video. If not, I'm gonna link it down below. It's very important that, guys, you just go back. It's just one among the videos I made sometimes back, and I explained why it's not possible for me to put the writings right in this video. Well, to explain this once again, of course I've done it again and again, or maybe 1,000,000 times. I just want to let you know I am making the Kikuyu videos, the Kikuyu channel, excuse me, but I cannot guarantee you to teach you the Kikuyu grammar. That is one thing I will not guarantee you. I know it is very important to know the grammar and also to know the spellings and even the sounding or how you speak words. But bear with me, in this channel, I'm not the right person to teach you Kikuyu grammar. Just bear with me. I mentioned earlier before that I can speak Kikuyu very fluent. I can speak Kikuyu very perfect. I am a Kikuyu, a proud Kikuyu, but I didn't have the opportunity to write or even to learn how to put Kikuyu in words. I never ever had the opportunity, or nobody ever taught me, or I never went to school for that. And all I can do is just teach you how I say, or how we say this, that, A, B, C, D to Z in Kikuyu. That is what I can guarantee you. Well, I can as well put some words, but one thing I will not guarantee you is this grammar, Kikuyu grammar, the correct grammar. So you have to bear with me, and you have to put that in mind, because honestly speaking, I'm the wrong person for grammar teaching. I am completely the wrong person. I will teach you Kikuyu words, how to speak, how to pronounce, and so on and so forth. But writing Kikuyu grammar, that's absolutely my weakness. Everyone has a weakness and a strength. For me, this is a weakness, and I accept that, and I don't want to put it like I can, whereas I cannot. I always value quality, and I don't want my subscribers to get the wrong grammar in the name of learning Kikuyu. I don't want that. So bear with me, and let's keep subscribing to this channel. If you really enjoy speaking Kikuyu without the grammar, you are so much welcome in this channel, and you're so much welcome to continue with me in this journey, because we are gonna learn a lot and more is coming. And without wasting much time, we're going to go right to the lesson today. So get your cup of coffee, get your cup of tea, make yourself comfortable, and let's get started. Now, today we're gonna learn some common names of places that we use in our day-to-day activities or in our day-to-day life. And one of these names of places is, for example, a shop. How do I call a shop in Kikuyu? A shop is called Düka. Düka, that's a shop. Now, the second place we use in our day-to-day activities or in our day-to-day life is a place called church. What is a church called in Kikuyu? Kanithã. Kanithã. Now, how do I say I'm going to church on Sunday? I'm going to church on Sunday. How do I say that? I'm going to church on Sunday. Dīrathie or Gathiē Kanithã. Gathiē Kanithã Kiumia. God, excuse me for that. There was a call coming as I was recording the video. Excuse me for that. Gathiē Kanithã Kiumia. I'll be going to church on Sunday, or I'll go to church on Sunday. Gathiē, I'll go. Kanithã, church on Sunday. Kiumia. Kiumia. Gathiē Kanithã Kiumia. Gathiē Kanithã Kiumia. Kiumia is Sunday. Now, the second place we use is restaurant. How do I call a restaurant in Kikuyu? A restaurant is called Mukawa. 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 Mukawa or Mukawa. Now, what if I want to tell someone, let's meet at the restaurant? Let's meet at the restaurant. Nitucemanie mukawa-inĩ. Nitucemanie mukawa-inĩ. Nitucemanie. Let's meet mukawa-inĩ, at the restaurant. Nitucemanie mukawa-inĩ. Nitucemanie mukawa-inĩ. Now, the second place, the other place we have is market. How do I call market in Kikuyu? Thõko. 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 Okay, what if I say I'm going to the market? Dīrathie Thõko. Dīrathie Thõko. I'm going. Dīrathie, I'm going. Thõko. Dīrathie Thõko. I'm going to the market. I'm going to the market. Now, what if I say, someone asks me, what are you going to do in the market? Ũrathiĩ gwĩka atĩa thoko? what are you going to do in the market? Ũrathiĩ gwĩka atĩa thoko? Ũrathiĩ gwĩka atĩa thoko? Ũrathiĩ gwĩka atĩa thoko? Ũrathiĩ, what are you going to do? Gwĩka atĩa thoko? Thoko meaning market. I can answer and say, I'm going to buy some food. Or I can say, I'm going to buy vegetables. Dīrathie kũgũra mboga. Dīrathie kũgũra mboga. Dīrathie, I'm going kũgũra, to buy mboga, vegetables. Dīrathie kũgũra mboga. Dīrathie kũgũra mboga. Dīrathie kũgũra mboga. I'm going to buy vegetables. Now, if I'm saying I'm going to buy food, dīrathie kũgũra irio. Dīrathie kũgũra irio. I'm going. Dīrathie kũgũra, to buy irio. Irio is food. That's the general term of all types of food. Vegetables, cereals, vegetables, cereals, what else do we have? Proteins, meat, all those kind of stuff. That's how we call it, irio. Now, kũgũra is to buy. Gũthiĩ, to go. Okay, let's go ahead. The second place is the other place is hospital. How do I call a hospital in Kikuyu? A hospital is called Thibitarī. 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 Now, what do you go to do in a hospital? You go there to get treated, or you go there when you are feeling unwell, or when you are feeling sick. Now, I want to go to the hospital to get treated. How do I say that? Dīrathie thibitarī gũthondekwo. Dīrathie thibitarī gũthondekwo, to get treated. Gũthondekwo is to get treated. Gũthiĩ, dīrathie is to go. Thibitarī, hospital. Dīrathie thibitarī gũthondekwo. Dīrathie thibitarī gũthondekwo. Now, the second place is work. We have work. What do we call the place where we go to work? Dīrathie, or we call that place wīra or wīra-inĩ. Now, let's say you want to say, I'm going to work. Dīrathie wīra. Dīrathie wīra, or dīrathie wīra-inĩ. Dīrathie wīra-inĩ. Wīra-inĩ. Dīrathie, we say, is I'm going, or I'm going, or we are going. Okay, if its meaning is tũrathiĩ. 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 We are many. Dīrathie, de, me, one person. Dīrathie, single. I am going. Wīra. I'm going at work. I'm going to work. Now, the next thing is a building. Sometimes we have appointments and someone will say, I'm going to this and this building, or I'm going to this building called KICC, or I'm going to the building called White House. How do I call a building? Building is called Nyūba. Nyūba. Dīrathie nyūba ya KICC. Dīrathie nyūba ya KICC. Or ndĩna mũcemanio nyũmba ya KICC. I have a meeting at KICC building. Dīrathie or I have Dīna Moshamanio meeting at KICC building. Dīna Moshamanio Nyūba ya KICC. Or I have a meeting at White House building. Dīna Moshamanio Nyūba ya White House. That's just an example of constructing a sentence using that building. Now, the next thing is floor. What do I call floor number 1, floor number 2, 4th floor, 5th floor? Now, a floor or the floor, okay, is called Ngõrofa. Ngõrofa. Now, I'm going to pick my passport or I'm going to pick my documents in 2nd floor. Dīrathie Wīra maratathi makwa ngõrofa ya kerĩ. Dīrathie kũgĩra maratathi makwa ngõrofa ya kerĩ. I'm going to pick my documents in 2nd floor or on the 2nd floor. Floor is called Ngõrofa. What if you say that office is found in 5th floor? Wafīcī ĩyo ĩ ngõrofa ya gatano. Wafīcī ĩyo ĩ ngõrofa ya gatano. That office is in 5th floor. Floor is called Ngõrofa. Now, the next word is, or the next place is an office. How do I call an office? An office is called Wafīcī. Wafīcī. Or some people even say Wafīcī. Dāthie Wafīcī. I'm going to the office. Dāthie Wafīcī. Or Dāthie Wafīcī. I'm going to the office. Now, someone might ask you, where do you work? Orutaga wĩra kũ? And you will answer, I work in an office. Ndutaga wĩra wafīcī-inĩ. Ndutaga wĩra wafīcī-inĩ. You can say wafīcī-inĩ or wafīcī-inĩ. Ine is like inside the office. Now, that's how we called an office. Wafīcī, or other people say Wafīcī. Now, the next place is a club. How do you call a club in Kikuyu? A club is called Kiräfu. Kiräfu. Now, what do people do in a club? Of course, they go there to have fun, to drink, or to dance. So, how do I say, I'm going to the club? Dīrathie Kiräfu-inĩ. Dīrathie Kiräfu-inĩ. I'm going to the club. What if I say, let's meet at the club? Let's meet at the club. Nĩtũcemanie Kiräfu-inĩ. Nĩtũcemanie Kiräfu-inĩ. Nĩtũcemanie Kiräfu-inĩ. Let's meet at the club. Nĩtũcemanie, that's the act of meeting. Kiräfu-inĩ, in the club. Now, the next place is a farm. How do I call a farm in Kikuyu? A farm is called Mūgūda. Mūgūda. Now, I want to say, for example, I have a big piece of, I have a big farm. How do I say that? Dīna mūgūda munene. Dīna, I have a big farm. Mūgūda. Farm munene, big. Dina Mūgūda munene. Dina Mūgūda munene. Now, the next thing is school. How do I call a school? A school is called Thūkūru. Thūkūru. Now, I might want to ask someone, where do you go to school? Othiaga ko thukuru. Othiaga ko thukuru. Where do you go to school? Othiaga ko. Where? School. Where do you go to school? Othiaga ko thukuru. That person can answer and say, excuse me, thiaga cukuru ya Montessori. Thiaga cukuru ya Montessori. Thiaga cukuru ya Montessori. I go to Montessori school, or I go to the school of Montessori. I go to Montessori school. Thiaga thukuru ya Montessori. Now, the next one is university. People go to university. So, how do I call university in Kikuyu? University. University. Well, this does not really have a typical Kikuyu name, and according to my knowledge, that's how we call it. University. University. Now, someone might ask, which university did you go to? Or where did you go to university? Wathire university iriku? Wathire university iriku? Ndathire university ya Nairobi. Ndathire university ya Nairobi. I went to the University of Nairobi. I went to the University of Nairobi. Now, the second place is a college. How do I call a college in Kikuyu? College. 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 Now, what if I want to say, I go to college? Thiaga college. Thiaga college. Thiaga college. I go to college. That's how we say it. And the last place in this lesson tonight is the place nursery. How do we call a nursery in Kikuyu? With that, I mean the nursery where small kids go for first learning. It's called Nathãrī. 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 Now, I might want to say, my kid goes to nursery. Mwana wakwa athiaga Nathãrī. Mwana wakwa athiaga Nathãrī. My kid, mwana is a kid. My own, mwana wakwa. Wakwa is my own possession. Athiaga goes Nathãrī. Mwana wakwa athiaga Nathãrī. Mwana wakwa athiaga Nathãrī. And that brings me to the end of this lesson tonight. Thank you again so much for being part of this lesson, for being part of this channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you do that right below there. Press that red button that is written subscribe. Remember, subscribing does not cost you any single cent. It's free of charge. You can always get notifications on when I'm uploading my videos. You can always get notified when I am you know, when I'm active on my channel, and you'll never miss a single video. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. That is if you really like it and if you enjoy being part of this family and even part of this beautiful Kikuyu channel. Thank you again. Have a lovely Sunday wherever you are. Have a beautiful beginning of this weekend. It is the first week of December. We are almost coming to a close of this 2019, and I am so excited. I'm so happy of you guys. I'm so proud of everyone. Thank you again. Thank you. For the new subscribers, feel at home, and thank you for choosing this channel and even for being part of this family. I hope you enjoyed. Keep commenting downside there. Keep sharing it to your friends and family, of course. And yeah, till we see us next time, goodbye and good night. See you again. Adios.